Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds and